Hi and welcome back to my channel. I am here to do my third AliExpress unboxing. I've already snipped off the edges so we can save some time. Pray everyone is doing well. And we have a stamper and a scraper. We have a stamping plate. Let's see which one did I get. I don't know if you can see that. Butterflies. That's gorgeous. We know that right now butterflies are all the rage, on trend. I got some stamping gel. So I don't know what color it is because it's only numbers. So I would have to come back and do a swatch video. Because it's not telling me the colors. So far I have 3 of those. And those stamping polishes are for the stamping plate, of course. And I got some dip powder. That is a gold. I know you probably can't see it that well, but that's a pretty gold. Can't really see these colors well, so I will definitely come back and I'll put the stamping gel as well as the dip powder in one video so you can see it more closely. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. I do not remember what this is. Oh, this has to be my stamping polish. We're just gonna pull it. Yeah, the stamping polish. How is that? Just tear it up. That's a beautiful gold. Ooh, that is pretty. Oh yes, that is beautiful. So I got the gold and black. You can't go wrong with black. Looks pretty opaque. So I'm going to have to come back and do another video like I said. And these are from Roslyn. The stamping gel, the stamping polish. These are regular polishes. Then I bought 3 stamping gels. I don't remember what color I purchased. And I also bought 2 of the dip powders along with the butterfly stamping plate. So stay tuned for upcoming videos of all of this. I'll probably do a demo to see how well the polishes as well as the stamping works. All right, stay tuned. You all have a wonderful day. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.